Welcome back to Tool Drop. If you are tired of running out of credits on your favorite AI tools, stop scrolling right now. I'm going to show you how to unlock Google Nano Banana Pro and the Veo 3 for free. If you want to create videos just like this one without spending a single dollar, this video is made for you.
Most people are paying nearly $200 a month to get video generation this realistic, but I just generated this clip using Veo 3 for completely free. I didn't pay a cent, and I didn't use a waiting list. Today I'm going to show you how to access the world's most powerful AI model, including Google's Nano Banana Pro and GPT 5.2. First, go to Google and search for LM Arena. This is an open research platform. It allows the public to test leading AI models side by side. The big tech companies use this to benchmark their progress. They provide free, unlimited access to us. And in exchange, we vote on which answer is better. That is the trade-off. There are 3 modes we need to cover. We will start with text, move to coding, and then the image generation that rivals Midjourney. But stick around for the end, because the video generation tool I showed in the opening isn't on the main menu. It's hidden behind a specific button that most people miss. I'll walk you through that setup step by step. Let's begin with battle mode. Battle mode is a blind taste test. You enter a prompt, 2 anonymous AIs answer, and you vote. This removes brand bias. You aren't picking Google because you like Google. You're picking the best answer. Here is my standard test prompt. You'll write instructions for a peanut butter sandwich, optimized so a robot could not misinterpret them. Watch closely how Model A and Model B handle this. I vote for both of them. It's a tie. Now, the names are revealed. The blind test proves that detail matters. Blind tests are fun, but sometimes you need specific tools. That is where side-by-side mode comes in. Click this tab. Look at this drop-down list. You have access to Gemini Pro 3, Claude Opus, GPT 5.2, and Grok 4.1. Usually, you would need 4 separate $20 subscriptions to test these. Here, they are all unlocked. I'm selecting Grok 4.1 on the left and Gemini 3 Pro on the right. Let's test their ability to simplify complex topics. The prompt is, explain how blockchain works to a 12-year-old using one real-world analogy. Notice the speed. Grok starts responding instantly. Gemini has a slight delay. We call that latency. Grok was faster, but Gemini was clearer. This is why side-by-side is powerful. You can choose the right tool for the specific job. Now, let's jump to direct chat. This is where you work with a single assistant without the distraction of a second window. I'm selecting the Claude Opus 4 to 5, known for its strong coding abilities. Many free interfaces strip away features like coding, but look at this icon here. You can build apps and websites directly in the browser. I'm going to ask for a functional calculator. Usually, free models will just write the code text. I want to see if this actually runs. I'll type, make a simple calculator. It generates the code. And look at the right side of the screen, it rendered the application instantly. I can click the buttons, it works perfectly. This capability is usually ring-fenced behind paid tiers. Text is great, but image generation is where the costs usually stack up. A Midjourney subscription is expensive. Click the image icon, look at the model list, Google Nano Banana Pro, GPT Image 1.5, Seedream 4, and Flux 2. Max. I know Nano Banana sounds ridiculous, but don't let the name fool you. The output is professional grade. Let's try a prompt. Portrait of an elderly jazz musician playing a saxophone. Look at the results. Look at the skin pores. Look at the complex neon lighting reflecting off the brass of the saxophone. This is distinct, high contrast, and photorealistic. Now for a stress test, I'm going to make 2 models compete for one difficult prompt. I'm entering a majestic snow leopard mid-pounce in a snowy Himalayan mountain range. Snow and white fur are notoriously hard for AI to separate. It often blends them into a blurry mess. Look at the one on the left. You can see individual hair strands against the snow. You can feel the movement. The fur consistency is perfect. Quick tip: if you see a message like "you hit your limits" or "generation fail," don't worry. Just wait 2 minutes or switch to the second best model. It's a temporary traffic issue. Now, the feature you have been waiting for: free VO3 video generation. You cannot do this directly on the dashboard we've been using. Open this menu and find Join Discord. Click it. You need to accept the invitation. If you don't have a Discord account, it takes 2 minutes to verify one. Once you are in, it looks like this. It can be overwhelming. Ignore the noise. Look for the channels labeled Video Arena. There are usually 3 of them. Click anyone, you can see what others. To make yours, type / in the chat bar. A menu appears, select Image to Video. I'm going to upload the musician playing a saxophone image we just generated. The system warns this can take 10 minutes. But in my testing, it never takes that long. Let's see how fast it is today. 2 minutes and 15 seconds later. We have 2 variations.
Listen closely. The rhythm is in the silence between the notes. That's something you can't code.
Perfect physics. No morphing artifacts. Here's a common problem. Discord chats move fast. Your video might disappear in the scroll. If you lose your video, go to your inbox in the top right and click Mentions. All your generated clips will be saved right there. So, what is the verdict? For cost, it's a 10 out of 10. You can't beat free. For reliability, it's a 7. Sometimes the servers get overloaded. For quality, it is a 10. You are accessing the literal cutting edge of technology. If you are a beginner creator and do not pay for subscriptions until you have pushed